Hey guys, so before we start the video, I have put a freelance services link that I provide in the description of this video, and you can basically go and check them out. So let's start. Hey guys, so today I want to share a really nice tutorial for creating one-click blog post via ChatGPT. So I have shared this plugin before on this channel. This is AIPRM for ChatGPT. This is an extension for Chrome. This is probably one of my favorite plugins right now. This is a plugin which will help you do a lot of things without typing out very detailed prompts. And today I want to share this particular function because there are a lot of them, and I will be sharing other ones too, and you guys should check them out. But I will be creating some tutorials for some of my favorite ones. So one-click blog post is the one we are going to test out right now. So once you click on this, what it will do is it will create an outline for your blog post. So let's just say I have clicked on this and I want to write a blog post on graphic design. All right, so how to graphic design, right? So once I type here and press enter, so it is giving me the content brief. It is typing out. So let's just read it through. What are the things it is providing us? Content brief, header outlines. Just with one click, it is giving us all the notes. And now with notes, let's see what it will give us to the next one. So title tags, it is giving us all the title tags. And it is pretty amazing what ChatGPT can do. And meta tags. So as long as it's typing, let's just discuss a couple of things before we move on. So for everything you do, everything you type from every kind of content you get from ChatGPT, just make sure that you test it on Writer AI detection tool, because most of the time you will have to check your content, because at the end of the day, if you are putting it on your own blog, if it is AI generated and it is detected as AI generated, Google may have some issues with that. So make sure that you check your content from AI detector. I use writer.coms, but you can use the other ones. So it is typing. Once it is over, we will be testing this. And one more thing that I recommend right now to everyone who is using ChatGPT as a content generation source, make sure that as you can read all this, right? So you can read this and you can understand that all this content here is good enough, and now it's done. So all this content is good enough, but we have to understand that at the end of the day, it is written by an AI. So what we can do is we can at least put our own touch, our own spin on the content. So let's just analyze the text. I have copied 736 characters. It has a 1500 character limit. So content is all right, 40% human generated, as you saw, right? So there are some issues. Sometimes it gives 100% human generated stuff, sometimes it doesn't. It depends on your topic. I genuinely believe if you choose some obscure topic, it will give you a better understanding. So I have generated this one more article. Let me show you. So this is one more article. It was an article for sticker books for kids. And this article, when I tested this article on the AI generated tool, AI detection tool, what it did, let me just show you, right? So I'm gonna copy paste this. I think I'm over the word limit. Yes, I'm over the word limit. I'm gonna remove some words here, and make sure that you don't go over the word limit, because just copy and paste looks good. Like, look, 95% human generated. It is generated by the AI, but for some reason, when you choose the right topic, it always give you different kind of results. So whatever the case is, I highly recommend you guys to do one thing, that always add your own spin, add your own content, like maybe link some YouTube videos, or maybe create your own images, get some more GIFs or something. Maybe try to create your content more engaging. So sometimes what I do is I use Giphy. Giphy is this website for meme GIFs and stuff, to make some content more funny, and depends on your audience, but people engage with relatable content, and memes are always a little bit more relatable. Depends on you, depends on the content. For this particular content, I can use some sort of cartoons and stuff, and some colorful graphics, but at the end of the day, because it is for the kids, but it depends, right? So if you're writing about something related to video editing, which I'm currently learning right now, I'm not at all good at it. So what I will do is I will put some memes and put some well edited content there to make my content more entertaining and interesting. So that's all there is to it. It give you all the things like so let's just go back to our design tutorial blog. Content brief, it gives us header outlines, it gives us notes, title tags, meta description. Now the blog post starts, and blog post is something like this. It is not very long, so to continue you can press continue, but it only allows one message at a time. So what you can do here is you can just simply get on new chat, and what you can do is you can take the same title, right? So graphic design tutorial, write me a long form graphic design tutorial, right? So we enter here and it will write us a little bit longer graphic design tutorial, but at the end of the day it is better to write your own content with the AI. It's always a good thing. At the end of the day, it's all about connecting with your audience and give them the best quality content, and that's all there is to it. And I genuinely recommend you guys to give it a try, and you will definitely get some value out of it. And yeah, that's all there is to it. And let's see, it is generating the content, and we will be looking at the screen a little for a while, I think, because it's a long form content. But it depends on you what kind of content you want, and as I said, it all depends on your topic. When you try to choose the right topic, it will look as human generated, but if you choose a very repetitive topic, what will happen is there is a possibility of the content being not to look like totally human generated. But if you choose the right topic, it will go. So that's all for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.